What's going on, y'all? Thank you for joining me on my daily vlog. Today we're here at the Columbus Farmers Market. It's time to film this vlog. Today we're at the Columbus Farmers Market to try out pizza. Pizza is always good. It is crowded today too. So about a month and a half ago, I came to Columbus Flea Market, or Columbus Farmers Market, and I went to a pizza shop called Kate Now's, which is on the other side of Columbus Farmers Market. I had several followers commented, "Yo, you gotta go to Pete's. Pete's is way better." You know, I didn't know where Pete's was, so as we're pulling up to the farmers market, let me tell you something. It's a trap, right? Because when you walk, especially on this side, I don't know what side this is called, maybe the west side or something like that. When you pull up to this side where the Amish market is at, it's a trap because you're greeted with like all this fresh dough. You're greeted with just sweet treats and desserts. And then they have like a food court of just straight barbecue. I'm talking about like fresh barbecue, and the line is pretty much wrapped around the food court, right? But then like at every stop they're making like these sweet treats, these sweet desserts. You just gotta make through that. If you can make through that, you'll come to Pete's, right? And Pete's is actually right outside of the I don't know, the Amish market. You really can't miss it because Pete's is actually pretty crowded as well. And I can't wait to try it. I'm pretty excited because, you know, I can always eat pizza. I'm down for any type of pizza trip. We got a whole pie. I got the whole family out here. I got my niece over here. Say what's up, niecey boo.
Hello.
Yeah, we got the niece out here. We got the nephew. I got my son and my wife out here. So we got a large pie to ourselves, and I can tell you right now, it smells really good. The one thing I do like about Pete's is that they have seating right here, and it's like a you know, wrap-around seating. Just sit down and order you some slices. They got the oven and everything in the backside. They got the hours listed. Price-wise, is probably the same. You know, as I'm looking around here, you know, I observed that the actual slices themselves are similar to Kate Now's. I guess they all share. This must be like a Columbus Farmers Market thing where they cut them into squares. And it also looks like it's the layer of cheese first, then sauce. That's my type of pizza right there. That is my type of pizza.
Here, you have to do a presentation.
Presentation.
Look, move this stuff.
Oh my God. Yeah. You guys ready?
Yeah.
Wow, I'll tell you, that's a presentation right there. You just get bathed in like this pizza steam. You know? You get bathed in pizza steam. I just love how it is. It's rectangular. You got the sauce on top of the cheese. What do you think, Maddie?
It's good.
Looks good, right? I think I'm gonna start off with the big slice. You gotta get the big slice first. So I'm gonna go ahead and serve the kids, and then I'm gonna get my eat on. Oh, I love every type of condiments. I'll take hot sauce too if y'all got it. Damn, I should buy hot sauce, right? All right, I'm gonna serve the kids. All right, who wants the first slice? Oh, the motto is wife gets the first slice. So wife, you gotta get the first slice. You want end or you want middle? You want end slice?
Girl, you got it now then.
There it is. First slice.
Who gets this first slice?
First slice. Wife gets the first slice.
All right. It's very hot.
It's just like bathe.
It's very hot, baby.
It's like pizza heaven right now.
Wait till you taste it.
Oh my
Do you
god.
put the sauce on top of the pizza and then the cheese?
The cheese is on the bottom,
It's the way I like it too.
and then there's sauce, and then there's cheese on the top.
It's hot, it's hot.
It's very hot.
Thank
sir.
you so much.
You're welcome.
Alright, we're gonna do this. The first slice. My first slice of pizza. It looks amazing already.
Baby girl, would you like
That looks delicious. You got the cheese, then sauce on top. I don't know why people don't do that more often. I think that's the secret to the greatest pizza ever. It's like cheese first, then sauce. I don't know. When it comes to pizza though, I gotta have mad condiments on it. I asked you too. If you got hot sauce, I'll take it. You guys don't like it?
I like the regular one.
I don't know. Okay, thank you so much. Ooh, garlic. You guys ready? Get down with it, get down. You're gonna see their reaction right here. They're just gonna eat it candidly. I'm just gonna eat it and talk to y'all. Close this up. So this is my first slice of pizza. Let's see how it is. That looks good. All right, y'all, let's do this. So shout out to Pete's. It feels good. It has nice weight to it. Smells great. I really don't deserve this life. This is the best life ever. Crazy. This is so good. Bam. I'm gonna tell you something. Pete's got that work. You know what I'm saying? This is it right here. This is how pizza is supposed to be. So good, I can't speak right now. Delicious. The people, great. The atmosphere, great. But the flavor itself is excellent. I love the square pizza. I don't know why they don't make square pizzas like that. Got the right amount of cheese, right amount of sauce. For me, like I said, I prefer the sauce on top of the cheese. That's the only way to get pizza. Now, y'all want to compare this to Kate Now's? Honestly, I feel like they both have the qualities. You know, you can't really go wrong. But I tell you right now, pizza's delicious. You better come get you some pizza. What do you think? So good. Y'all see her reaction? Priceless. And she's not even a foodie like that. You're right. You're right. It's delicious. It's not good. It's great. Because I'm going in for another slice. What's your name? Jordan? Jornell. Yo. So give a shout out to Jornell right here. He made our pie, right? Excellent pie. Come and see Jornell. What's your name?
My name is Donna.
Donna. Come and see Donna too. Great service, great customer service. Make you feel like you home. I love it here. From what I've been told, if you come here on Sunday, forget about it. The line is out the door. Call ahead on Sunday. That's a tip for y'all. That's a Yelp tip, okay? So on Sunday, anytime specifically? That's a veteran tip. All right, see? I can learn something new today. So on Sundays, if you guys even want to taste, if you want to whiff, if you even want to smell it, make sure you call on Sunday. Oh, what is the phone number?
Phone number is 609
609
267
267
0166.
66. I'm gonna put it on the screen too. Football season is here. Go Birds. You know what I mean? Are you an Eagles fan?
Of course.
All right, so go Birds.
Game day specials once football season starts.
Oh, okay. Look at that. I'm getting some more tips. So we have game. Go ahead, tell them about the game day special.
I can't say what they'll be yet, but there will be game day
There will be
specials.
game. I mean, even if there wasn't a special, just come here and pick you up a few pies. You know? I'm going in for another slice. Damn that. It's story time, right? I'm gonna start telling you guys stories if I have stories related to a certain food. My first experience about pizza. All right, we already established that pizza is great. I can't say it. Pizza is excellent. Pizza is one of a kind. We're gonna do this again. So good. So let's talk about my first experience with pizza in general. You know, growing up in this country, I'm Cambodian, and I remember the first time I ever seen pizza. I'm like, what is that? I seen pizza. My mom took me to see the first Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle movie. If anybody knows Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, you know that they love pizza. So that was my first introduction to pizza. I remember seeing the cheese coming off the triangular slices. They were just tearing that pizza up, and that's all they ever wanted to do was eat pizza. Ever since then, I had a thing for pizza. But that was triangular slices. This is different. I think the first time I ever seen square slices like this was maybe in New York. All right, we already established that pizza is great. I can't say it. Pizza is excellent. Pizza is one of a kind. We're gonna do this again. So good. So let's talk about my first experience with pizza in general. You know, growing up in this country, I'm Cambodian, and I remember the first time I ever seen pizza. I'm like, what is that? I seen pizza. My mom took me to see the first Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle movie. If anybody knows Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, you know that they love pizza. So that was my first introduction to pizza. I remember seeing the cheese coming off the triangular slices. They were just tearing that pizza up, and that's all they ever wanted to do was eat pizza. Ever since then, I had a thing for pizza. But that was triangular slices. This is different. I think the first time I ever seen square slices like this was maybe in New York. And I remember I went to like New York too, and they had the sauce on top of the cheese. And I always thought, like, how come they don't ever make it like this? Because this is the best way. I remember as a teenager too, my mom would give me an allowance, $5. She would give me an allowance $5 a week, right? And there was this place called Fast Eddie's around the way. They would have specials. I was like 12 years old. It was a 2 large for 20 bucks. I would save up my money, $20, have it delivered to my house. I didn't tip them or anything like that. I'll take the 2 large pizzas, take it to my room, and eat 2 large pizzas as a 12-year-old in my room by myself in one sitting. That's how greedy I was about. That's how much I loved pizza at that time. I mean, I still love it now. But that's how much I was like about that pizza life, you know. Cheers to pizza, man. That's what I need to try. What's on that? What's on the breakfast pizza? Oh my God. Oh, we coming back. Jornell was telling me every Sunday they have an outside truck. Oh my God. I don't know if you guys can see that. I don't know, but I'm pretty sure it's on the Facebook page. I'm gonna link you guys to it. Bacon, egg, and cheese on a pizza on this epic crust right here. You can get bacon, egg, and cheese. What? Only on Sundays and only outside. That's another Yelp tip for y'all. Help me out. Make me an elitist. Man. I'm getting valuable tips here, y'all. I'm getting valuable gems right now from Jornell. I've still yet to try a breakfast pizza. Yeah, breakfast pizza, man.
That's a thing?
I'm on my 3rd one. Eating this, it was great coming out mad hot, but you have to give it like 15 minutes. Because then the sauce can soak into the dough. It's a greater experience, I guess. Or even pasta itself. You ever make pasta and the next day it just tastes much better because that sauce just soaks into the pasta, you know? That was great. I ate 3 slices already. I think I can do 4, but I don't want to do that right now. Oh yeah? Yo, that's love. Yo, that's love right there, man. I think it's maybe like 3 more slices.
All right. We'll give you a smaller box, but you'll take one more.
Awesome, thank you so much. Thank you. And they got that work over here. But Jornell was kind enough to let me come in the kitchen over here just to see him put in work. It's amazing, man. It's amazing how he is making it, checking the crust. He's lifting the crust and checking it to see the doneness of it. Then he's making the actual pie itself.
Taste this.
Oh, what's this?
This is the famous red cream soda.
Oh my God.
Only have pizza.
Famous red cream soda. So let me just try it out. I'm gonna stop talking.
Come out all over this.
That's a cream soda right there. That tastes great. This is what I need to get next time with the pizza. I asked Jornell, like, yo, how many pies do y'all make a day? They don't really know. They make that much pies, they can't really count, you know? But I tell you what, though, it's all fresh, that's for damn sure. The best thing about pizza is that Jornell's an Eagles fan. If he would have said Dallas fan, I would have been like, yo, I ain't never coming back.
Hey, Boy Pete's Pizza, always fresh. Check it out.
Bow! Thank you for joining me. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, give us a thumbs up, and go to Pete's Pizza and get you some pizza and cream soda.